there is no equal to
the New Testament and that
who prophesied that now
welcoming and also
challenges of this day.
Hongera kwako, pongezi sana. And let me say, it has been a pleasure and an honor to not just work with you, but also the moments that we have had praying together. And I look forward that we shall continue with some of those prayer sessions, even in your retirement. Incoming presiding Bishop Callisto Odede and your wife, mine is just to say congratulations. We wish you every success as you embark on the challenge that is ahead of you. We hear a lot of people talk about big shoes and the impossibility of filling big shoes. And this, I can tell you because I've also reached my peak as well, so I was always told you have big shoes. But I don't believe in that, because I believe, as that famous poem says, do not compare yourself with others, because by so doing, all you become is vain and full of despair. I wish you every success, and I look forward, just as I was working with David, to work with yourself, to pray with yourself in the 1-2 years of mine remaining before I join him. But you can always count on my support, on my government's support, as we move together, state and church, to do God's will.
You have honored me and given me space to speak into your lives, and you have accorded CITAM great space and time many times. You have also allowed me to give a critique to your leadership, sometimes harshly and publicly. And sometimes I think this is the end of our friendship. But you still reach out to me, and we still work together. Thank you.